Hello my beautiful ladies, I trust you all are doing well. Great. I have good news for you. Yes, good news. At Jeys Cosmetology, our motive in this year 2021 is to help you to save up to 80% on your wig purchase. Yes, 80%. How is it going to be possible? Let's look at it together. Jeys Revamping department is inviting you, yes, you, to bring all your old wigs. The old wigs that you are not able to use them any longer because they are matted, tangled, and kind of dead for revamping. This revamping process is going to bring those old wigs back to life. Yes, they are going to look new as you just bought them from your wig dealer and rocked them than ever before. Hey, do you know how much you're going to pay per wig treatment? 49 Ghana cedis. 49 Ghana cedis only, meaning you can revamp 10 wigs at a go for 490 Ghana cedis, of which it can't buy 10 inches quality wig with a closure. Indeed, we can save money for other things and work on our old wigs and rock them in this year 2021. Watch out samples of old wigs that have been brought back to life. You will love them.